Hello guys, welcome back to Insa Electronics. So this is basically the second take on this video. So I was repairing this Magik made 9 watt LED bulb. You can see I have already made some repairs right here, and obviously that didn't fix the issue. So I was trying to take the board out, and it was at that moment I realized that I was not recording anything. The camera was on, the camera app was turned on, but I completely forgot to press the record button. So I just stopped at that point. Since I cannot undo anything that I did already, I thought, okay, let's just begin from there. So this is the first time I'm coming across a brand called Magik. It's a 9 watt warm white, it says. These are all the specifications, and the immediate problem that I noticed was one of the LED was completely blacked out. So I made a short across it. Still, when I tried to power it up using the trusty isolation transformer, nothing was happening. There was around 15 volts at this point. Now it's not showing that one as well. So I decided to check the board if there is something wrong with that. So I was trying to desolder this, and it was at that moment I realized the whole thing. So now, since I already desoldered it, let me take out the board and let's see what is wrong with the board. So let me take the board out. It's easy right now because the whole soldering is gone already. It's a bit difficult otherwise. So here is a board, nothing else inside. So let's see underneath if there is something blasted. And by the way, that is the chip number. It's really hard to focus on that. If there is a datasheet available for this one, I shall put that in the screen right now. So underneath everything looks alright. The capacity, okay, there it is. This fusible resistor is already gone. You can see right there the fusible resistor is gone, and it looks like this is just a discoloration on that other capacitor. I don't think that is the blown capacitor. So anyway, since we found the issue, let's just try to repair that one. Let's just desolder this one, and let's solder this new fuse in, and let's see whether that fixes the issue. Let me come back after that. Alright, now the new resistor is in place. You can see the new resistor. It's a 3.3 ohm resistor. If it can focus on that. Focus, why am I focusing? Yeah, there it is. It's a 3.3 ohm resistor. I'm not even sure what is this particular resistor because it's completely dark right there. So right now it is connected to the isolation transformer through these wires, and let me turn this on and let's see for ourselves what will happen. There you go, we completely fixed it. So this bulb was having two issues, one of which was a faulty LED light, and the fusible resistor is also gone. So we changed both of them, and now the light is working just fine. So here is the finished lamp. You can see I have resoldered the back side with fresh solder, and let me now turn this on and let's see how it works in connected directly. I'm connecting it to the isolation transformer, and there you go, it's working perfectly. You can see it's working just fine. The flickering is just the camera capturing it. There is no actual flicker to the naked eye. So that's it. The bulb is now fixed. So don't throw away your old LED bulb, guys. You can always repair it. Thank you for watching.